Hello guys! Today let's learn how to make the HD WhatsApp stories. But before that, let me inform you that we are going to use two apps for this video, of which the details are given in the description box below. Without any further delay, let's get started. For this, we have to install Adobe Premiere Pro app. Let's open the app. Then click on New Project on the top left corner of the screen. Then enter the file name. I saved it as HD story. You can give any desired name of your choice. Then click OK. Then click on Assembly, which is right under the menu bar. Then click on the folder icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then click on Sequence. Then to get the best HD quality, click on DSLR 1080p30. Then enter your desired sequence name. I named it as Layout. You could give any preferable name. Then click on OK. Now on the left side of the screen, right click on the layout under the HD story and again click on Sequence Settings. Then under this, click Time Base and select 60 frames per second. Then enter the frame size at 720 and 1560 horizontally to get the full screen. Next, select the maximum render quality and then click OK if any box appears. Now double click on the left side of the screen and then choose a desired file and import it. And then a box appears. There you gotta select Keep Existing Settings. Now drag the cursor to that part of the video where you would like to commence it. Now go to the editing and click on the video song you're working on and then enter 90 as rotation and scale as 101. Now use the blade icon to cut the video. Next, right click on the unwanted part of the video and clear it. Now drag the video to the starting line and set the duration for 29 seconds and 29 milliseconds, cause the WhatsApp status does not exceed the mentioned duration. Right click on the video and select Time Interpolation and then go to the Optical Flow, cause it plays the video very smoothly. Now again click on File in the menu bar and select Export and then go to Media. Another page appears on the screen. Select the format of H.264. Then click on Use Maximum Render Quality. Then select the location for output. Then click on Export at the bottom right of the screen. The video gets exported. Here for the further process, we are going to use the HandBrake app. You can check the details of this app in the description box given below. Now open this app. Click on the file icon on the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the exported video and import it. Now let's move on to preset and click on web, and there you gotta select Vimeo YouTube HQ 1440 60 2.5K. Next we gotta select video and set the constant quality to 23. Now move on to click Browse at the bottom right and name the video of your choice and save it. Then click on Start Encode. And here we go. We are ready with the video. Last but not the least, please do like, share and subscribe this channel.
Set मेरा सीना 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 सीना